Hi, welcome to my presentation. As we all know that online business is gaining momentum day by day, and when it comes to online business, it's all about running your online business through different mediums. And one of the best and the most popular medium is the membership websites. And when we talk about membership websites, how can we forget the membership software? Why we need a membership website? So, here's the simple answer. A membership software is essentially needed to bring the membership website into existence. To make your membership website run successfully, a membership software is required. And the next question that must be crunching your mind is what kind you need, what use and for what purpose you require the membership software for your website. The need depends upon your personal interest, whether you want it for your an organization, whether you want it for personal interest to promote the product or some service. The next question is what should the membership software do for your website, and what are the purpose of using the membership software for your valuable membership website. So I would like to explain you one by one the need and the importance of the membership software. Firstly, it should keep the track of the sign up processes, as in which member is signing and for what purpose, whether it is signing to your website for some trial period, whether it is signing to become a member, and all that. Second comes the payment authorization. It's a very important part as it is the only way in which you're gonna get a paid from the members, as in giving authorization to the members for different payment gateways, whether the person is paying you for the product which he or she is using, whether he's paying you for the services which he is using, and some other thing. The next comes the content protection. It's a very important part as your content, your membership website content should not leak out to other websites, as it has to be very secure, as well as the content, the passwords, the login names and the usernames of your members should not leak out, and there should not be any illegality. The fourth comes is the member authentication. It's a very important part as only registered or only the paid members should have the right to access the information and the services which is being provided by the website. The fifth comes the recurring billing management, keeping the account of all the transaction or the billing done with the members and with the other members who are signing in their payments and all that. It should keep a very neat account of all the things that is being done to the website, all the daily transaction that is being done to the website. So, seeing all this, it seems that the membership software is very crucial, and it's the most, and it's lays the foundation of the membership website. So you have to make the right choice for your membership website before buying a membership software. So why not make the right choice just now? Go to paypalmemberscript.com, log in there, and just you can readily install the membership software and start your membership website in just a count of few minutes. So what are you waiting for? Go and make a mark in the online business with your own very successful membership. Thank you.